Hello friends, today in this session we will see units and drawing setting commands. Okay, both are we will see one by one. Okay, first we will see units command. Okay, and the shortcut of the units command is UN. Okay, units. Okay, and enter. Okay, this is a dialog box of the drawing units. Okay, here the length and angle. In types, click on drop down button. Here's architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional and scientific. These are the types of the units. Okay, and this is the precision. Okay, and here the units to scale inserted contents which you want select from here. If you want dimension, all the dimension in feet, otherwise inches, millimeters, centimeters, meters, kilometers, as per your requirement, select from here. Okay, we will select millimeter. Okay, because of we are working in mm, that's why we will select in millimeter. Okay, if you want to required digit, select from here. This is a architecture. See, in precision these are changed. Okay, we are working in decimal, that's why we were selecting decimal. Also here decimal degree, degree, minute, seconds, grade, radian, surveyors units. We are angle measure in decimal degrees, that's why we are selecting decimal degrees. Okay, like this, as per our requirement, you can, as per your requirement, you can select units from drawing units. Okay, now next is drawing setting, and the shortcut of the drawing setting toolbar command is DS. Okay, drawing setting. Okay, here this is a drawing setting toolbar. If you want to, this is a snap and grid, this is a polar tracking, this is a object snap, 3D object snap, dynamic input, quick properties, 3D object snap, polar tracking. Okay, snap and grid. Okay, see, X and Y snap, snap X spacing, snap Y spacing, equal X and Y. If you want to unequal to X and Y, then remove the tick from equal X and Y. If you want to equal, then select it. Okay, in this is a grid, all the grids, and the distance between each grid is 0.5. Okay, if you want to work in 2D, then here in snap type you can select a rectangular snap. If you want to work in isometric drawing, then select a isometric drawing from drafting setting. Okay, next is polar. Now we are using absolute coordinate system, that's why we are selecting absolute. Okay, in object snap select all. Okay, because these are in our drawing, these are important to us, that's why select all. Okay, the end point is shown with the square, the midpoint is shown in triangle, the center is shown circle. Okay, these are the required object snap. Okay, that's why select all. This is used in 3D. Okay, these are also select all. In dynamic input, okay, this is the dynamic dimension input. Here you can enter directly. If this is unable, then dynamic input is not shown. Okay, that's why you can select here. Okay, click on OK. Okay, like this the drafting setting you can change as per your requirement. Okay.